Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of unevenly cooked turkeys, warped pans, and roasts that stick like glue, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 best roasting pans on Amazon right now. From heavy-duty stainless steel to budget-friendly disposable options, whether you're a seasoned home cook or prepping your first holiday feast, I've got the perfect pan for you. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Viking 3-ply Roasting Pan. If you want a roasting pan built to last a lifetime, the Viking 3-ply Roasting Pan is hard to beat. Made with a tri-ply stainless steel construction, this pan delivers even heat distribution across the entire surface, which means no more hot spots or unevenly cooked meat. I love that it's oven-safe, broiler-safe, and even works on the stovetop for making gravy right after roasting. No extra dishes needed. The riveted handles stay cool longer and give you a secure grip when moving a heavy, hot turkey. It's also compatible with all cooktops, including induction, so it fits into pretty much any kitchen setup. Cleanup is simple, thanks to the polished stainless interior that resists staining and sticking. For home cooks who want a professional-grade roasting pan that can handle holidays year after year, the Viking 3-ply is a fantastic long-term investment and one of the best roasting pans on Amazon. Product number 2. KitchenAid Hard Anodized Roasting Pan. The KitchenAid Hard Anodized Roasting Pan is perfect if you want durability without breaking the bank. This roasting pan features a hard anodized exterior that resists warping, denting, and scratching, so it holds up beautifully over time. Inside, you get a non-stick coating that makes releasing your roast and cleaning up afterward incredibly easy. No more scrubbing burnt-on grease for 20 minutes. The sturdy handles make it easy to lift even when it's loaded with a big turkey or roast, and the pan heats evenly for consistently juicy, well-cooked meat. It's oven-safe up to high temperatures, making it versatile for roasting, baking, and broiling. I also appreciate the sleek, modern design that looks great going straight from oven to table. If you're a home cook who wants trusted KitchenAid quality combined with everyday practicality, this roasting pan is an excellent all-around pick and a top contender on Amazon. Product number 3. Uukrave Turkey Roasting Pan. For Thanksgiving and holiday hosting, the Uukrave Turkey Roasting Pan is designed specifically with big birds in mind. This roasting pan is extra large and deep, giving you plenty of room for a large turkey, along with vegetables and stuffing. The sturdy stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution, so you get a golden, evenly roasted turkey every single time. It comes with a built-in roasting rack that lifts your turkey up, allowing hot air to circulate underneath for crispier skin and juicier meat. The extended side handles make it easy and safe to lift, even when the pan is full and heavy. It's also great for roasting chicken, ribs, or vegetables outside of the holidays, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. If you host big family gatherings and need a reliable, spacious roasting pan, the Uukrave Turkey Roasting Pan is a smart and affordable Amazon pick. Product number 4. Granite Roaster Pan. The Granite Roaster Pan combines style and function with its speckled granite-style enamel coating that's both eye-catching and incredibly practical. This roasting pan features a non-stick porcelain enamel surface, which means less oil is needed for cooking and cleanup becomes a breeze. It's lightweight compared to heavy stainless steel pans, making it easier to handle for everyday home cooks, especially when moving a hot, full pan out of the oven. The pan retains heat well, helping you roast meats evenly while keeping them moist and flavorful. It typically comes with a removable roasting rack, adding versatility for turkey, chicken, or even large cuts of beef. The vibrant granite finish also means you can go straight from oven to table without needing a separate serving dish. If you want a budget-friendly, attractive roasting pan that performs well without the bulk, the Granite Roaster Pan is a great everyday option. Product number 5. LOEUO Large Roaster Pan. If size and value are what you're after, the LOEUO Large Roaster Pan checks both boxes. This roasting pan is generously sized, giving you enough room to roast a large turkey, big cuts of meat, or even multiple side dishes at once. The heavy-duty construction is built to withstand high oven temperatures without warping, and the non-stick coating helps food release cleanly while making post-meal cleanup much faster. Sturdy handles on both sides make transporting the pan safer, even when it's fully loaded and hot. It's a versatile pan too, working well for roasting, baking casseroles, or even slow-cooking vegetables alongside your main dish. For the price, you're getting a lot of pan without sacrificing performance, which makes it a popular pick among home cooks looking for affordability. If you need a large capacity roasting pan that won't strain your budget, the LOEUO Large Roaster Pan is definitely worth considering. Product number 6, Farberware Bakeware Roasting Pan. Rounding out our list is the Farberware Bakeware Roasting Pan, a trusted classic that's been a kitchen staple for years. This roasting pan is made from durable carbon steel with a non-stick coating, giving you reliable performance at a wallet-friendly price point. It heats evenly, which helps prevent those frustrating undercooked or burnt spots, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup significantly easier than traditional metal pans. The pan usually includes a rack, elevating your turkey or roast so juices drip away cleanly while promoting crispier skin. It's compact enough to store easily, but still spacious enough for a mid to large turkey or roast. Farberware has built a strong reputation for dependable, no-fuss bakeware, and this roasting pan lives up to that name. If you want a simple, affordable, and reliable roasting pan for everyday cooking and holiday meals alike, the Farberware Bakeware Roasting Pan is a smart choice. And that wraps up my top 6 picks for the best roasting pans on Amazon. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and check the links in the description for pricing and details. See you next time!